For generations, farmers have been battling the same challenge: stones in their fields. Before planting crops, removing these stones requires significant time, labor, and money. Collecting stones by hand is difficult. Finding laborers is even more difficult. If the stones remain in the field, they can damage tractors and agricultural equipment, reduce crop yields, and increase the farmer's workload. But now, there is a permanent solution to this problem. This is Bhaumya Innovations, an Indian company driven by a vision to create meaningful change in farmers' lives by combining technology with agriculture. Our mission is simple: reduce farmers' hardships, make farmland more productive, make agriculture more profitable. Our flagship product, Rudra SC50 Stone Picker, built with a robust structure and heavy-duty design, this machine efficiently collects stones from agricultural fields and prepares the land for cultivation. It is fully adjustable to suit different soil types, various stone sizes, diverse field conditions. Stones in your field aren't just an eyesore. They are destroying your rotavator, hitting hidden rocks, shatters tines, bends rotor shafts, and destroys your gearbox. Stop destroying your equipment. By clearing your fields with the Rudra Stone Picker, you can save up to 40% on machinery repair costs. The Rudra SC50 Stone Picker reduces stone removal time by up to 80% compared to traditional methods. It can clean 1 acre of land in just 4 hours and collect up to 10 kilograms of stones in a single operation. Real benefits for farmers. Farmers using Rudra machines are experiencing up to 40% savings in labor and equipment maintenance costs, up to 20% increase in crop yields due to cleaner, stone-free fields. This is not just a machine, it is an investment that improves farm profitability. Earlier, our entire field was filled with stones. After using this machine, only soil remains in the field. Since morning, we have cleared stones from nearly 2 acres of land. The machine is performing exceptionally well. Built for modern agriculture, easy-to-use controls, advanced safety features, environmentally friendly design. These are the hallmarks of Bhaumya Innovations. Our technology helps preserve soil health while making agriculture more sustainable and efficient. Cleared over 547 acres of land, served more than 320 farmers, organizations, and agribusinesses. Behind every clean field lies a farmer's success story. Do you want to transform stone-filled land into highly productive farmland? Bhaumya Innovations is here to help. Contact us today. +9 18885354626. Sangareddy, Telangana. Bhaumya Innovations. Innovation, transformation, farmer empowerment for the future of Indian agriculture.